My video guide is about getting rid of the ransomware called Hfgd. Hfgd is the ransomware, the part of the DJVU ransomware family. This particular ransomware essentially damages the files that the customers store on their hard drives. The ransomware encrypts the files and also adds a special extension to them. Of course, before the ransomware attack, there are no problems opening the files of any type. But because of certain existing vulnerabilities in the security of the specific computer, this ransomware may be easily injected into the system. Then customers suddenly realize that something really bad has happened with their files and that they cannot use their files anymore. After they restart the computer, they suddenly notice that the files have been damaged and encrypted, and that a special extension has been added by this particular ransomware to the files. The extension is Hfgd. This is why the ransomware is called like that. When you try to open this specific file, you get this message saying that Windows can't open this type of file with the Hfgd extension. If this is what is happening with your computer right now, first thing you should do is to go to the task manager of your computer, look for suspicious processes that could be running in the background, right-click on them and terminate their tasks. This could help you save at least some of the files from being damaged by this ransomware. Now, of course, terminating its process does not mean that the ransomware is removed. The ransomware is still inside of your computer, and it may also tell you to pay the special ransom for file recovery. The ransom is 980 American dollars, but there is no point to pay the ransom because this does not guarantee the file restoration. We recommend you to immediately undertake the measures to remove this ransomware. We suggest that you use some Combo Cleaner anti-ransomware for this purpose. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button. Download the software, install it, and then start researching your system with its help. Combo Cleaner works very well to detect the majority of ransomware type threats, including this ransomware called Hfgd. Initially it is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan. The program will first of all update its anti-malware database for proper malware detection. After the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may research and investigate some features of Combo Cleaner antivirus. Pay attention to the feature called anti-ransomware. It allows you to add certain folders on your computer that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you'll be able to protect files in selected folders from being changed by ransomware. But once again, this feature is the part of the premium license only. At the end of the scan, the program Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats that were revealed during the scanning. You will be able to know their exact location on your system. Some of the threats, by the way, may be related to your browser. Some threats may be in the form of adware or browser hijackers or malicious sites. We recommend you to remove these threats automatically with the premium license, which will help you to defend and protect your data from being damaged in the future.